Hi, I'm Bob Loeffler with Fearless Agent Coaching and Training, and I just want to tell you what my problem is when I was new in real estate. I got into real estate, I did everything the industry told me to do, I failed miserably for 5 years, and then something happened to me. I met somebody who guided me in the right direction, and then I became a big success in real estate. What happened was, he taught me to quit doing everything I had been doing. I started doing the exact opposite of what I had been taught. And it's the opposite of what you have been taught. And when you start doing that, you're going to succeed. And your success is almost guaranteed. So look at the failure rate in the industry and think, maybe if I do the opposite of what they teach me to do, I'm going to be successful. To find out what the opposite is, go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos. If any of that makes sense to you, then call me and let me turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.